must say, this machine did wonders. I love it. Now, the question is, does a rotary cheese grater actually save time, or is it just another kitchen gadget that ends up collecting dust? That was the first thing I wanted to know before trying this one. We've all seen kitchen gadgets that look amazing online, but once you get them home, they either take too long to set up or they don't work any better than the tools you already have. So I wanted to see if this actually worked faster than my regular box grater. The first thing I noticed is how easy it was to put together. You simply choose the 3 stainless steel blades, insert it, lock it in place, and you're ready to go. What I really wanted to test was that suction base, because if the unit slides around while using it, it defeats the whole purpose. Once I locked it onto my countertop, it stayed surprisingly secure while I was turning the handle. Now let's talk about the part most people care about, the actual performance. Instead of pushing cheese back and forth against a sharp blade, like the traditional graters, you're simply just turning the handle and letting the drum do the work. And that means less effort on your hands and wrists, which can make a huge difference if you're preparing larger meals or cooking frequently, like I was doing this night. I also like that you're not just limited to cheese. You could use the different blades for vegetables, cucumber, carrots, potatoes, and other ingredients depending on what you're making. Another thing I noticed is that the food prep felt more organized because everything comes out the grater neatly, right into the bowl, instead of ending up all over the place on a cutting board. So what do I think this is best for? So far, I love the way it's handling this cheese. Most of us used the traditional grater before, and if you're grating a lot of cheese, vegetables, or other ingredients, it can get tiring pretty quickly. But what stood out for me is how simple this is to use. You just attach the blade, you need to secure the suction base, and then just turn the handle. The suction base is important because it helps keep the grater in place while you're using it instead of sliding all over the counter. I also like that it comes with 3 different stainless steel blades, so you're not limited to just one type of cut. And when you're done, the foldable handle makes it easy to store without taking up too much space. I received this product for honest feedback, and this honestly answered my biggest question. It makes shredding and grating faster while putting less strain on your hands. If you're interested in purchasing this cheese grater, I have the link in the description below. And if you've ever gotten tired of using a traditional grater, this might be exactly what you're looking for. And this is a cheese grater that I definitely recommend.